All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's word of the day. So exchange, 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 yeah. To swap things. To swap things. To trade one good or service for another. Here you are. Thank you. Exchange. Yeah. Do you want to exchange? We can't exchange hats now. Where can I find an exchange to change my money? Yeah, exchange. Yeah. They want to exchange the room for another. Yeah. It is a fair exchange. We are all making money from it. He knows how to make it a fair exchange. She does not like it when the exchange goes bad, when it's a bad deal. A bad deal. Yeah, she doesn't like that. Yeah, no. Yeah, exchange. So they need to exchange these things now. They need to exchange them for something new and fresh. New and fresh. Exchange it now. Exchange it now, please. How cool is that? I wanted to exchange it, but not now. We're waiting for the right time, and then I will exchange it for something better, something bigger and better. How cool is that? Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? So he is working on exchanging it today. Yeah, they are exchanging contact details now. The phone number, the email, exchanging details now. She thinks he will exchange it when the time is right. I'm waiting for the right price, and then until I'm waiting for the right price, and then I will exchange it. Waiting for the right price, and then I will exchange it, because I want to get the best price possible, so I won't exchange it yet. Yeah, won't exchange it yet. Won't exchange it yet. Yeah, no way. Yeah. Yeah, how cool is that? So, exchange, to swap things. Here you are. Thank you. Nice. So, can you use exchange in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel, more videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me when you search for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.